How's it going, guys? In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best laptops in 2022. So let's get started with the video. If you want a laptop that has an excellent blend of speed, battery life, durability, and processing power at a reasonable price, the Apple Macbook Air M1 is my choice as the best laptop for the money in 2022. Apple's MacBook Air offers flagship-level performance that's comparable to their more powerful offerings for a much lower price. It also comes with several useful features that can help increase your productivity, which makes it ideal for students, office workers, and some creative professionals. It has Apple's signature sleek aluminum chassis that doesn't flex under pressure, and it's relatively lightweight for greater portability. The keyboard is well spaced and delivers a comfortable typing experience with nice tactile feedback, and it has an integrated Touch ID fingerprint for secure logins. You get a 13.3-inch Retina display that's comparable to higher-end models like the Dell Xps 13, and it has a 2560 by 1600 resolution that delivers a stunning, detailed image and accurate colors, which makes it ideal for consuming media. I also like that it utilizes True Tone technology to automatically adjust the color temperature based on the lighting conditions to reduce eye fatigue. It utilizes the new M1 chip that offers excellent performance considering the price, and it can easily handle processor-intensive tasks like 4K photo or video editing and general web browsing. The 8GB of RAM are also impressive and can reliably run multiple applications simultaneously without lagging or stuttering. It comes with 256GB of high-speed SSD storage to keep your important files accessible. The battery is also impressive and can last between 15 to 18 hours, which means it can easily last you throughout the day. While it can't run games as well as the Asus Rog Zephyrus G15, the MacBook Air offers exceptional value for the price and can handle just about every other computing task just as well. This is an ideal option if you want a portable laptop that's easy to carry, a stunning screen for watching YouTube videos, and enough processing power to handle almost any workflow without breaking the bank. Now, for anyone who wants a laptop that can conveniently be used as a tablet to watch content on the go, or as a powerful laptop that can handle heavy-duty tasks like video editing, the HP Spectre X360 is my choice as the best 2-in-1 laptop in 2022. It has a tall OLED screen that's perfect for editing or watching videos, a thoughtful design that allows you to take your work with you wherever you go, and a powerful processor that can render larger files and capably handle everyday tasks. It has a versatile 2-in-1 design that can be used as either a tablet or a laptop depending on your needs. It's compact and lightweight, so it can easily fit into a backpack or bag. I think the included rechargeable MPP 2.0 tilt pen is a nice addition for the price, and it's ideal for working or creating digital art in tablet mode, though it might not work well with left-handed users. While the display isn't the strongest on this list, you still get a solid 13.5-inch OLED display with a 1920 by 1280 FHD resolution that produces inky blacks, a crisp picture, and a long 3:2 aspect ratio that's perfect for productivity work. On the inside, it has an 11th generation Intel Core i5 processor, 512GB of speedy SSD storage, and 8GB of RAM that can easily handle most daily tasks like streaming Netflix movies, web browsing, and more demanding tasks like rendering larger 4K files with decent export speeds. The battery is another solid feature and can last for around 12 hours, so it can withstand some heavy usage. I also like that it supports HP QuickDrop, which allows you to easily transfer files from your computer to your other devices. The HP Spectre X360 14 offers impressive processing power considering its small stature. While it lacks the raw power of the more expensive XPS 13, it can handle almost any daily computing task and professional workflow. If you're looking for a high-quality option that has a versatile design and doesn't sacrifice performance, this might be the ideal choice for you. Some users might want a laptop that offers a portable design, a stunning screen for watching videos, and impressive processing power with daily tasks for a decent price. The Microsoft Surface Laptop 4 checks most of the boxes and is a great laptop that's worth considering. Microsoft's Surface Laptop 4 is an excellent laptop that offers impressive performance in almost every area, excellent build quality, immersive audio that's ideal for watching content, and a significantly improved processor, which makes it an ideal option for general-purpose computing, remote workers, and students. It has a minimalist design that comes in several color variants depending on your preference. Unfortunately, the bezels are relatively thick compared to some high-end competitors like the Dell Xps 13, but you get a 13.5-inch screen with a 2256 by 1504 resolution that offers accurate colors, HDR support, crisp text and images, and decent brightness, along with a 3:2 aspect ratio that's ideal for writing or reading. It also features high-quality speakers with Dolby Atmos support to deliver more spatially accurate sound. While the port selection is limited to a USB-A, USB-C, and 3.5mm headphone port, this is understandable considering the size. It has an AMD Ryzen 5 processor and 16GB of RAM that combine for solid all-around performance and can easily handle nearly any basic task, such as streaming 4K YouTube videos, web browsing, video conferencing, and some basic video editing or content creation. You get 256GB of speedy SSD storage to keep your files, improve your system's responsiveness, and reduce load times with applications. It also offers up to 19 hours of battery life, which is more than the premium Dell Xps 13 and can reliably get you through the day. While it doesn't quite offer the raw power of the XPS 13, it has a longer lasting battery, a stunning screen, and performance that isn't too far off for a lower price. This is an ideal option if you don't need to do heavy computing work and want a laptop that provides a comfortable writing experience, can handle almost any professional workflow, and has a stylish design. Next up, we have a laptop that has a stylish design and powerful internal components that deliver exceptional all-around performance. The Dell XPS 13 is my choice as the best overall laptop in 2022. Dell XPS laptops have been touted as the holy grail for Windows users, and the XPS 13's incredible, versatile performance makes it easy to see why. It's a compact, powerful offering that excels at just about everything you could reasonably expect from a laptop. It has a durable aluminum chassis that has a premium feel and keeps the screen surprisingly sturdy. It has a carbon fiber keyboard deck that's soft on the palms, and the keys are nicely spaced and have a satisfying travel distance that remains comfortable to type on over extended periods. The Microsoft Surface Laptop 4 has a slightly larger screen, but you get a 13.4-inch Infinity Edge display with an FHD Plus resolution that produces stunning colors, 500 nits of brightness, a 16:10 aspect ratio that's ideal for watching videos, and razor-thin bezels to provide more screen real estate. You can also get OLED or UHD Plus displays with touchscreen functionality. It has an 11th generation Intel Core i7 processor and 18GB of RAM that delivers snappy performance and can handle most demanding workloads, intense multitasking, or power-hungry apps like Photoshop with minimal slowdowns. It also offers solid battery performance and has a runtime of up to 12 hours, which should be enough for most office workers or power users. Unfortunately, the port selection is relatively limited, but you get two USB Type-C ports with Thunderbolt 4 support and a headphone and microphone jack. The Dell XPS 13 is the best overall laptop because of its premium build quality, modern connectivity options, and its superior performance to the previously mentioned items, such as the Surface Laptop 4. If you're looking for a laptop that has plenty of bells and whistles, is easy to carry around, and can do just about anything you need it to do, this is a great choice for you. If you're looking for a laptop that can perform the basics well and offers unmatched performance with demanding mainstream games, the Asus Rog Zephyrus G15 is my choice as the best gaming laptop in 2022. The ROG Zephyrus G15 is an outstanding option for any on-the-go gamer, and it offers impressive battery life, a sleek design, and powerful internal components that offer desktop-level performance with demanding titles and daily tasks in a much more compact frame. Unlike most other gaming laptops, it has a relatively refined, minimalist design, and it's available in two colors to match your gaming setup. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a full-sized keyboard, but they're comfortable to type on and have a solid travel distance. You get a large 15.6-inch screen that has a stunning 2560 by 1440 resolution, which produces a crisp image and a 165Hz refresh rate that provides a smoother gaming experience, although it lacks some brightness and could have more vibrant colors. It also doesn't have a built-in webcam like the other options on this list, but it has an outstanding microphone that's ideal for streaming, recording, or chatting over Discord. Under the hood, it utilizes an AMD Ryzen 9 5900HS 8-core processor, 16GB of RAM, and a high-end NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 GPU to handle basic tasks with ease, multitask without slowdowns, and run demanding games like Red Dead Redemption 2 with impressive frame rates. I like that it has ray tracing support, which accurately traces in-game light rays to provide a more realistic image while playing. It also has impressive battery life considering the high refresh rate and powerful components, and it can last for around 8 to 9 hours to get you through longer sessions. While the lack of a webcam limits its utility for office work, it's meant to provide a top-notch gaming experience and utilizes some of the most powerful components on the market. If you're looking for a laptop that offers unmatched gaming performance, plenty of processing power for the money, and can double as a streaming or general usage laptop, this might be the ideal option for your needs.
Keys are well spaced,